Welcome back to the 2017 Hot Wheels Supercars Tournament. We have now reached the Final Four, where the semifinal matchups will be the best 2 out of 3 advancing to the championship. And the championship will consist of a best of 7 series. First to 4 wins will be the 2017 Supercars champion. And let's begin. We have our 5 seed making it out of bracket 1, Sesto Elemento, taking on who I would say is the favorite, the 1 seed Ferrari 458 Italia. Race 1. Oh my goodness, a major upset. The Ferrari 458 slides off the track and loses match 1. And it happens again. The 5 seed Sesto Elemento will advance to the finals. On the semifinal match number 2, we have 2 number 1 seeds, Lamborghini Aventador versus Saleen S7. And the 1 is going to be won by the Lamborghini Aventador. Now on to race 2 to see if the Saleen can even it up. And it's looking good for the Saleen. The Saleen ties it up at 1. This is it, do or die. And here we go. Oh, goodness. And the Lamborghini Aventador will advance to the finals against the Sesto Elemento. Remember, this is a best of 7 series. We have our 5 seed Sesto Elemento versus the 1 seed Lamborghini Aventador. And the Aventador is going to take match 1. I wouldn't be surprised to see a sweep here, folks. And both cars had problems off the gate, so we're going to start match 2 again. And the Sesto Elemento will tie it up at 1. I'm a little surprised by that one. And the Lamborghini Aventador will win match 3, taking a 2-1 lead. And the Sesto Elemento will even it up at 2. He's hanging tough. And the Aventador will take a 3-2 lead. This is for the championship. Sesto Elemento has to win to hang on. And there it is. We have our champion. The Lamborghini Aventador is the 2017 Supercar champion.